Welcome. The Google team wants to inform you Google has recently launched a new feature that ensures a seamless sharing experience in Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drawing. You will now see a new drop-down option next to the blue Share button when you're in the doc editors. Let's go ahead and dive deeper about this update. As you can see, I'm currently in Google Docs, and today my persona is Trainer 13. I do want to take this time to remind you that this update does apply to Google Doc editors and drawing. So for today, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate in Google Docs. Up at the top right-hand corner, you will notice there is a new drop-down option next to the Share button. This allows you to quickly copy the link and also see the visibility of the document you're working on. So it's a quick and easy way to copy the link and distribute and send if need be. There's also another benefit within this particular update. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to another Google Doc. Now this particular Google Doc does have a blue button up at the top right-hand corner next to that new drop-down. That blue button is a visual indicator to remind you something needs to take place on this particular document. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the drop-down, and you'll see in this particular document, access request has been triggered. Someone has asked for access to this particular document. I can now go directly here and make that decision. I'm going to go ahead and click on access request, and then I can review who asked for access. In this particular case, Trainer 1 has asked to be an editor of this document. I can make that conscious decision right here to determine what permissions Trainer 1 should or should not have, and I can move on providing access if need be. I can also decline access if I choose by clicking on decline. So again, great new feature within Google Doc editors and drawing to provide quick and easy access to copy a link and provide access to potential users. With that, I strongly encourage you to check out the resources posted below to learn more about this update. Thank you.